Time now for Three Stock Lunch, and today we focus on some stocks making moves off of earnings. And here with our trades, Victoria Greene, founding partner and chief investment officer with G Squared Private Wealth. First up, Victoria, Royal Caribbean hiking its profit forecast on strong cruise demand and shares are jumping. What's your trade on that one?
I love it. I think they're going to break out and they're challenging their 135 high, and I see them pushing higher and hitting new records. Look, they raised guidance 3 weeks after they released results. That's how confident they are. That's how well this wave season, what they call January through March, where they have promotions and everybody's booking, they see such increased demand. I love it. And they're getting more out of their passengers. First off, passengers love some of their new ships, love their technology. Icon on the Seas just launched in January, biggest cruise ship out there. But they talk about how 70% of their passengers are pre-booking activities before they even embark, and then 30% or about a third of their passengers are using their app. So they're getting all of these captured purchases, all of these delightful upcharges, all of these ways to capture more revenue, and they've got happy cruisers, and people are spending on travel. I see Royal Caribbean hitting new highs.
Wow, great endorsement there for that one. Let's talk about Rivian Automotive. That stock's sinking after it posted a loss, announced it's going to have to lay off 10% of its salaried workers. Your trade on this one, this is a company that is having a little trouble getting out of its own way.
Exactly. And it's a sell for me. Just because it's down this much doesn't mean it can't leg down further to the 7-8 level, because they're just not producing. And one of the things that's hindering them is their price point. Their higher vehicle price points, and only about 2 or 3 models, their base models, have to stay under 80K for even 50% of the EV credit this year. They don't qualify. None of their models qualify for the full EV credit. So you have more price pressure. And they've even talked about in their earnings release, they touted the fact that their run rate in Q4 could have produced 70,000 vehicles annually, but they're forecasting flat production of 57,000. They're facing a soft EV market. It's not just high rates. It's not just the consumer. It's a soft EV market, and I just don't think they're going to have it to capture market share, to grow next year. I see more struggles for them ahead. So I know it's painful here. I just think it could continue to push lower.
All right, let's move on to Etsy. The online marketplace reported a mixed fourth quarter. Earnings fell short. Revenue exceeded Wall Street expectations. Shares of Etsy, though, down today, as you see there, by 8% or $6. The trade on Etsy.
It's a sell for me. Just because the stock is down 50% from its high does not mean it can't push lower. For me, they're just facing so much stiffer competition, and they've talked about how difficult it has been for their market. They even said in their earnings presentation, they're expecting tepid demand growth, and that's tough. Last 2 years, they haven't really been able to grow their gross sales, and so they're facing headwinds, stiffer competition. Anybody that watched the Super Bowl saw, 4 ads for Temu, and you got Shein coming on. E-commerce continues to grow, but Etsy is lagging behind. And they're talking about maybe Q1 being a bottom, but they warned Q1 is already soft. I don't think Q1 is going to be the bottom for them. I see more struggles ahead. They're going to have to spend more money on advertising. That could continue to drag on earnings. And I think that they're facing a rapidly changing e-commerce environment that is tougher for them to grow in.
Spill some wisdom, if you don't mind, on the market at 39,000 on the Dow and records on the S&P.
Dow 40K, absolutely. I think for here, everybody collectively held their breath. I feel like you could have felt it, like visibly, even in Texas. I felt the anxiety waiting on the video yesterday. It was the final piece in the puzzle. I think you're going to have a Fed that maybe doesn't cut rates as fast, but everybody now hopping back in on the AI trade. There's excitement. There's so much cash on the sidelines. I think you could see this market continue to push higher, and there's some good fundamentals. NVIDIA's growth is there. They are justifying the price people want to pay. I think it's funny that the number of, 1,300 call was the highest number of call volumes traded on NVIDIA pre-earnings, and that's 100% growth there. Yeah. So I think you have the potential you get left behind if you keep waiting and waiting and waiting for that dip. I'm not sure we're going to get a huge one because there's so many people waiting on that to come down and so much cash waiting to be deployed.
All right, Victoria, we leave it there. Victoria Greene, thank you as always. Good to see you.